Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is about success. I'm going to do another voiceover of Qasim Ali Shah. So the video, as you can see, its video name is Kamyabi. Its meaning is success. What is success? These 5 steps of success from which you can make your life better. So let's start it.
कामयाबी क्या है?
What is success?
कामयाबी कैसे मुमकिन?
And how we can get success? And what is definition of success and how can we understand it? I have read in these books that and asked my teachers that how we can do. But in my life, a book comes. His name is Cycle of Fulfilment. There are 2 writers, Rizwan Shuja and Imran Khaja Saab. They are 2 brothers. The America after printed. When it comes in my hand, I read it and what is success, how we can get it, and what are the things about going to stay alive or wrong otherwise. The cycle of fulfillment. This after reading this book, I will get to the writer that I want him that we can make it in Urdu translation. So how can people get it? So they say okay, we agree. After that, me and my team worked so hard and we translated the Kamyabi. And the success and its Urdu tarjuma was very good, and you can see in my hands its name is success. So there are 5 circles, as you can see, small 5, and they're moving towards the cycle of fulfillment. After the research, they understand this that the circle is going to the clockwise moment. His life is very better. If its circle is going to backwards, its life is very bad and it's going to end. After gaining success or after getting so much money or you've been getting gold, this bad going to backwise is very, very hard. If this clockwise will go, you are good and you success. So inside this book, what is success? Book was written what is success, what is a good life, why our mind is good and we have to make it for match, what is healthy and physical, economic is, and being towards Allah is very good, and what is success and meaning of a Muslim, and what is making advert. So if you want to be a success person, so use the book. These books can take you so much forward that you can't even think. So it's end of my video. So see you next time with a new video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.